Hi, my name is Jade Edmondson, and this is my introduction video for Module 1. I am a second grade teacher. I just finished my second year teaching. Um, I've taught both years in the Fort Leavenworth School District, USD 207, which is a public school district, but we're entirely located on the military base of Fort Leavenworth. So all of our children are from military families, which means we have an extremely high student turnover. Approximately 50% of our students each year are new and then are leaving us at the end of the year as well. Um, and I am pursuing a reading specialist degree here at Fort Hays State University. At my school, we have some school-wide data that we look at. We use the STAR assessment online. All grades, as far as I know, take that for reading and for math. We take it at the beginning of the year, at the middle of the year, and at the end of the year. And then for third grade and up, they have state assessments. We also have cumulative tests from our reading and math curriculum that are normally August and May, beginning of the year and end of the year tests that we take that cover all of the curriculum for that grade level. We actually are pretty unique in that we have early release Fridays, like 2 to 4 times a month. And during those early release days, we have like 2 hours of PLC time for our grade level to meet with, which is fairly often compared to other districts that I've heard of. And so in those meetings, we use data like our chapter pre-test and post-test. We use our RTI data and then just teacher observations and informal assessment data. And then as a grade level, we will use that to talk about what we need to be changing as far as our teaching goes or what else we need to try with students for interventions. And other data analysis processes that we have in our school are at the beginning of the year. We generally do some more vertical collaboration where like second grade will meet with first grade and third grade to sort of look at the data from the year before and talk about what needs to be done or how we can support each other with the students that are going up or the students that are coming up to us. We also will always look at the beginning of the year assessments at the end of August once the kids have taken all of them to then start determining which kids need Tier 2 and Tier 3 interventions for the year to start out. And then throughout the year, if we have kids that are not responding to our interventions, we will take them to the SIT team, the student intervention team, and then we will collect even more data for that process. In my classroom, I have a couple strengths and a couple areas of improvement that I think I could work on. My strengths would be using data to create small groups, using data to decide who and what I'm going to teach during my intervention time, and using it to do my curricular pacing of what I need to spend more or less time on with the curriculum. Some areas for improvement, I think I could use some more formal documentation of Tier 2 intervention data in my classroom. I do it all the time, but I don't feel like I necessarily document it in the best way. And I also would like to learn how to better utilize websites and apps that our district pays for that we use with the kids. And I know that those websites and apps store student data. I just don't necessarily always know how to use that data and find that data. So my plan for improvement would be to research new systems for classroom data collection, especially with my interventions in my classroom, how to collect that better and document it better. I think I could reach out to the school counselor and our curriculum instruction specialist at our school for help with the data collection and also for help with how to use that online data that we already have from apps and websites that we use with kids. And then I also think that I could use some of the online tutorials for those websites and apps that I am needing to learn a little bit more about. So that's my video, my introduction. I look forward to seeing your guys's. Thanks.